going on air, reporting.
The news played on TV, a helicopter crash, 2 hospitalized, 1 dead, safety underutilized. The accident disfigured a set of twin brothers. No longer look identical to each other. 1 pale, 1 sunburned, 2 tone static ring from the telephone. I eat and sleep alone, each corner, both sides of a seesaw. My pork chop on cook, beef raw, still raw, and season, no reason to be confrontational. Triple R sensational, Rusty singer song machine, there is no I in team. Ultralight beam, black astronaut cook. Bass help me with rampant steam, Mitch Melody and BAS skyrocket into the mainstream. Excess, my life is complex, spreading spores, spread the fungi like cordyceps. Irish bagpipes and drum kits in the backseat of my Corvette. My ex's favorite hobby was a sport, it would be sex. Frightened pilot took off his headset, hurled out the helicopter without a parachute, and belly flopped on cement. No survivors, nobody came to his rescue. No one mourned his death or crashed with no innocence left. Shattered.